All right. Okay. So, my during reading strategy is say something. And what say something is it's a strategy that gives students a break from reading so they can comprehend what they've read. And how it works is usually a teacher will group the students up into groups of two or three, and then one person will start reading. And whenever they're ready, they'll take a break and they'll discuss what they just read in the book so they can understand it. So what they do is they will just make comments, or they'll ask questions, or they'll predict what's going to happen next. And once they finish with their comments, then the next person will read, and they just continue to do that until the reading assignment's finished. But this, it helps them understand better when they get to take a break and talk about what they just read. And a big reason why students are they struggle to read is because they're just not thinking clearly about the text. They're thinking about what they're going to have for lunch, or they're thinking about the weekend coming up, or they're thinking about their girlfriend, their boyfriend, and things like that. So giving them a break, so for them to comprehend and really think about what they're reading, can really help them break that kind of habit. And I really like this strategy because it's like something that I would do personally. When I read, I have trouble comprehending when I read silently. So the majority of the time when I read a book, I have to read out loud to myself. And it's kind of weird, and it annoys people sometimes when I'm around them. But I try not to do it around people. But it helps me understand and comprehend what I'm reading better when I read out loud. So this say something strategy, kind of reminds me of that, and I think that it's a really good idea.